Do you know that there are other ways to solve for the number of arrangements of objects aside from the fundamental counting principle? One is the factorial notation, which is the product of all positive integers from 1 to n. And the other is the permutation. Permutation is an arrangement of objects in which order is important. In this video, I will be showing you how to use factorial notation and permutation in solving some problems. Example 1. A family of 4 people is going to the movies and wants to sit in a single row. How many different ways can they arrange themselves? 4 people in a single row. It is an example of a linear permutation. And arranging people is an example in which the order is important. We may use the fundamental counting principle: 4 people, 4 positions. Starting with the first position, there are 4 choices, then 3, then 2, and then 1. Or we may rewrite this using the factorial notation, and that is 4 factorial. Now for the linear permutation, which is n factorial over quantity n minus r factorial. N is the value or the number of objects, and r is the objects to be selected or taken at a time. N is 4 and r is 4. And that is the permutation of 4 taken 4 at a time, or the permutation of 4 objects taken all. And it is 4 factorial over quantity 4 minus 4 factorial. Expand. 4 factorial is 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 all over 1, because 1 is equal to 0 factorial. And simplify. Therefore, there are 24 different ways for the family of 4 people to arrange themselves in a single row. Example 2. How many ways can you arrange the letters in the word table? This is an example of a linear arrangement. Possible solutions are the fundamental counting principle, factorial notation, or the permutation. The word table has 5 unique letters, capital T, A, B, L, E. To find the number of arrangements, I will be using the linear permutation, and that is permutation of 5 letters taken all, which is equal to 5 factorial over 5 minus 5 quantity factorial, which is 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 all over 1, or 5 factorial is equal to 120 different ways to arrange the letters in the word table. Example 3. There are 9 contestants participating in a singing competition. The top 3 performers will be awarded the first, second, and third place ribbons. How many different ways can these ribbons be distributed among the contestants? We have 9 contestants and we need to award the top 3 performers with the first, second, and third place. This is a permutation problem because the order matters. First place is different from the second, and so on. So, there are 3 positions. For the first place, there are 9 choices, down to 8 choices on the second place, and then 7 remaining choices for the third place. We may rewrite this using the permutation, and that is permutation of 9 objects taken 3 at a time because there are 3 places or positions, and that is 9 factorial over quantity 9 minus 3 factorial equals 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 all over 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, and then simplify, canceling out 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 1 with the denominator. Therefore, there are 504 different ways to select the first, second, and third place among the 9 contestants. Example 4. There are 6 people in a team and you need to select 3 of them to present a project with specific roles: presenter, coordinator, and analyst. How many ways can you assign these roles to the 3 selected team members? This problem is similar to example 3. So that is the permutation of 6 people taken 3 at a time. 3 because there are 3 rows, which is equal to 6 factorial over quantity 6 minus 3 factorial. Expand and then canceling out. Therefore, there are 120 possible ways to select the presenter, coordinator, and the analyst among the 6 people. Example 5. A florist has 9 flowers, 4 roses, 3 tulips, and 2 lilies. How many unique arrangements can she create by placing all flowers in a row? Since the arrangement is in a row, this is a linear arrangement. To calculate the number of unique arrangements the florist can create with the 9 flowers, we need to account for the repetitions of each type of flowers. The indistinguishable items or the repeated objects are 4 roses, 3 tulips, and 2 lilies. We can use the distinguishable permutation, which is n factorial over the k sub 1 factorial, k sub 2 factorial, and so on. These are the factorial of the indistinguishable items. The total arrangements without considering identical or indistinguishable items is 9 factorial. Divide by the factorial of each type of indistinguishable item. 4 roses is 4 factorial, 3 tulips is 3 factorial, and 2 lilies is 2 factorial. Expand, then cancelling out. Therefore, the florist can create 1,260 unique arrangements of the flowers. Example 6. How many unique arrangements of the letters in the word bookkeeper are possible? Notice that some of the letters in the word bookkeeper are repeated or the same. These are called indistinguishable items or letters. These are 2O, 2K, and 3E. To calculate the number of unique arrangements of the letters, we need to account for the repetitions of each letter. We can use the distinguishable permutation and factorial over case of 1 factorial, case of 2 factorial, and so on. This problem is similar to example 5. The total arrangements without considering identical letters or items is 10 factorial over the factorial of the indistinguishable letters. 2O is 2 factorial, 2K is 2 factorial, and 3E is 3 factorial. Expand and then simplify by cancelling out. Therefore, there are 151,200 unique arrangements of the letters. Example 7. Lou has a collection of 8 books, which she wishes to arrange on a single bookshelf. This is an example of a linear arrangement. Among them, 2 books are identical copies of a mathematics books. 2 are identical copies of a science book, and the remaining 4 are all unique. How many unique arrangements are possible for these books? Notice that there are books that are identical. So we will be using the distinguishable permutation to remove the arrangements that are identical. The total number of arrangements of the 8 books is 8 factorial over the factorial of the identical items or indistinguishable items. Again, 8 factorial over 2 factorial for the 2 books that are identical copies of mathematics, and 2 factorial for the 2 identical copies of a science book. Expand and then simplify by cancelling out. Therefore, there are 10,080 unique arrangements for these 8 books on a single bookshelf. So that's it. I hope you've learned something from this. Circular permutations is also available in this channel. Don't forget to subscribe to learn more.